Hello everyone. Along with all of the modules inside of BookBolt, we also offer a few Chrome plugins that are going to help you with your KDP business. So in this video, let's go over the BookBolt lister and how that can be used to list your products on KDP probably 10 times as fast as someone doing it manually. So to get to the lister, you'll want to go up into the right-hand corner and click on your name and go down to the BookBolt lister. This will open up the Chrome tab right here where you can then get this plugin. As you see, I already have it installed. And once it is installed, all you'll want to do is up in the right hand corner, click on the plugin, which will open it, and you will see a page that looks like this. Now, before we upload anything to KDP, we want to set some profiles. Now, it's going to be blank at first. You'll want to go to the right hand corner and click on Add. This will allow you to add a profile. Now, the way this works is it maps everything to a keyboard shortcut. So for the hotkey, I'm just going to do Shift-R. This means that every time I'm uploading something to KDP, if I click Shift-R on my keyboard, it's going to fill out all of this information for me on the KDP dashboard. So for example, let's go over a book that hypothetically you would upload. Let's say you're doing a fishing logbook. So the title will just say Fishing Logbook. Now the subtitle is going to be what comes right after the title. I might say something along the lines of great logbook to write down the type of fish you caught and where. Alright, just as an example, this is not going to be properly optimized as I haven't actually done the research into what I should put here. But as an example of how this works, we have the title of Fishing Logbook. The subtitle is Great Logbook to write down where you caught fish and where. All right, for the first name and last name, this is going to be your brand. So for the brand name, let's go Fishing Logs with a Z. And then in the description down here, we'll just come up with something and say, this fishing logbook is the perfect book to bring along on your fishing journey. Write down where you caught the fish and what type, as well as size, weight, and look. You can even write down how the fish tastes when you bring it home and cook it up on the grill. Alright, so there you go, the description, pretty easy. I just filled something off the top of my head. And then you can fill out the keyword boxes. There's 7 keyword boxes. Each one of them can be up to 50 characters long. Now keep in mind when you're doing the keywords, you don't want to put commas, you don't want to put periods. These are just going to be the keywords that go in the back end, okay? So you just want to write these out. So you say fishing, pole, boat, so on and so forth. But for this example, I'm just going to actually fill all of these out just to show you how it works. A good place to actually get these keywords is back inside of BookBolt in the keywords module, as well as the product search. If you're searching for fishing, you'll be able to pull in keywords from there. But again, let's go back to the extension. I'm just showing you how everything works here. The next thing you want to pick is the category for your book. So I typically always pick non-classifiable, and then I'll pick something that is related to fishing. So we'll go in here and actually look for something that is related to fishing. So let's go through here. Nature, that's related to fishing. We'll pick general. Maybe I see something fishing related. I don't, so just as an example, you'd want to go through here and find something that's maybe a little more closely related. But if you can't, something general would work just as well. So we have our 2 categories picked here. Now the final thing you need to do is pick the trim size and the cover finish. The cover finish, glossy or matte, that's going to be completely up to you and preference. That's not going to have anything to do with the cost of your book when it prints or the royalty that you receive. So we're going to go ahead and just click matte, and then the trim size is going to be the book size that you are going to be uploading. For this, I typically pick 6x9 because that is the majority of the books I upload, but this needs to match the interior and cover that you are uploading. So keep that in mind before you set everything up. And the final step is simply make it active. All right, once it's active, remember we set the hotkey as Shift-R. We filled all this information out, and we'll click Done. Now here is our profile. It's all ready to go. If you need to edit it, you can come down here and click on the edit button. But you see that this profile is active, so everything is good to go. Now let's head over to KDP. You see I've started a brand new book here. Nothing is filled out on this page, okay? And the easiest way to do this is simply click your hotkey. Again, the hotkey in here, Shift R. All right, so if I click Shift R on this page, Shift R, it automatically fills out the title, the subtitle, the author information, okay, the description, publishing rights. It's automatically going to select that you own the publishing rights. It's going to put your keywords in there. It's going to put your category, and it's automatically going to say that it does not have adult content. So then you don't have to fill any of this information out. You've already done it in a profile that you can use over and over again, and simply click Save and Continue, and then upload your book. It's that easy. There's no more sitting around and uploading over and over and over again, typing all this information out that's going to waste your time and really make you miserable. Using the BookBolt lister is going to speed this process up incredibly fast, so you don't have to spend time doing all of this. You can actually spend time uploading the actual interiors and covers and make more money.